Ding, Musikwunsch. Und zwar hat sich meine Abonnentin Franziska Mitter einen ganz tollen Song von mir gewünscht. Der Song heißt Father and Son. Er wurde geschrieben von Cat Stevens. Heute nennt er sich Yusuf. Ja, ich habe mich bis jetzt an dieses Lied nicht so rangetraut, weil der für mich sehr schwer zu singen ist. Aber ich versuche es einfach mal. Also Franziska, ich grüße dich und ich spiele jetzt für dich Father and Son. Und natürlich für alle anderen auf meinem YouTube-Channel auch. Okay, geht los. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something's going on. But take your time, think a lot, think of everything you've got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain when I do it the way again? It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was sorted to listen now. There's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go, yeah. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down and take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I've cried, keeping all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I'd agree, but if them, they know not me. No, there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go.